Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Wednesday, happy 26th. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself without me wasting your time. Let's get to sort of today, guys. I really feel sort of for saying Lengani. For those who don't know, it's a Nani Lengani. They are back on our screen. This season 9, guys. Very soon we're going to have Isn't September season 4. So, guys, the people are now comparing Uterelo and Tando, guys. We know one thing about Tirelo loves her man. So people are saying they've noticed something about Tirelo, guys, and Mayeni, guys, because they were talking about Mayeni. If you go on Tembo, guys, we have seen Umayeni and Musamseleka in real life. But if you go on Tembo and you search it direct section Mayeni, guys, she doesn't care. So they are saying when it comes to Tando, Utando, guys, she was here before Uterelo, guys. They are now on season 8. Uterelo, she's now on season 4. They say Uterelo, she's more smarter than Utando, guys. Utando need to understand that when you go to the RS section, for people to fall in love with you, because guys, it's not like a relationship Yampumelelo and Uterelo is perfect compared to Yasiatela and Tando. But Uterelo, when she gets to the direct section, she makes sure that we are trigger umpumele. That's what people love about the Tirelo, guys. They say even though you are in Bokoto Yomcholo, but the way you are talking about Umpumele on direct section with a happy as women. So when it comes to Tando, guys, instead of dragging Siatela, she will be dragging other people, blaming other people instead of blaming her husband. Nothing wrong loving your husband and appreciating your husband, guys. You know how many times Umangwa has been dragging Umusamseleko, but when you see Umusamseleko and Mangwabe outside their reality show Utananes Temple, guys, we love them. We feel like they deserve to be together, guys. The same as Osamke, guys. You know, that section ya Kasamke, guys, will be fire, guys. But when you see Osamke Lapana on Instagram, you just fall in love with the Samke, guys. You know, you don't know what to say about her. We'll be dragging with Samke non-stop, but when you see her after the show, we just fall in love with her. Because one thing about Samke, she will stand for herself, guys. That's what we love about her. Umayeni, guys, I've said so many times, so Umayeni, guys, she knows how to play the game, guys. So people are saying, you know, when it comes to Tando, guys, there's nothing that she has learned when it comes to reality show. You need to make sure that you drag that husband, guys. I don't care what you say about him. Make sure that you drag him. So when you come outside, people play victim if you have to, guys. It's very important for you to be the victim in every situation. You see Umayeni, guys, one thing about Mayeni, she will say a lot on Musamselek, and after the show, you will ask yourself, hi Bokantu, why Umamiyegi Mpemi Musamselek? And you will see them together, be like, oh my god, they deserve to be together, guys. So people are saying a lot when it comes to Terelo and Tando, guys. The people are saying, no man, one thing we've noticed about Terelo, guys, it's not easy to hate Terelo. Let's all be honest, guys. On season 1 is Ngani's team. I did not understand Terelo, guys. I was just like, who's this girl? But right now, you know, I feel Terelo's pain. Even when she's coming back, now there's a photo shoot that was posted by Mzansi Magic where Terelo, she was holding a suitcase, and people are like, oh yeah, she knows how to play us, guys. So anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.